Come test drive the 2013 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, ambient lighting, battery saver, body color door handles, fog lamps, perimeter alarm, privacy glass, rear stabilizer bar, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find remote start, child safety locks, cargo cover, electrochromic rear view mirror, overhead console, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.